guys, welcome back again to my channel. It's your girl here, Promise, and you're highly welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, please don't forget to subscribe, turn on your notification bell, and give this video a thumbs up. Okay guys, welcome to this vlog, guys. This is a random vlog. Yeah, since I came back from hospital, I don't think I have vlog. Yeah, I haven't vlog. That's because I have been enjoying my omugwo. I've been the last thing eating my pepper soup for omugwo. So right now I want to unbox the package I received. Yeah, I received 2 packages which I want to be unboxing right now with you guys, so keep watching. So guys, these are the 2 packages I received. Yeah, so I'm going to be unboxing them. Let's see what we have in here. Okay guys, let's unbox them together. So guys, I have finished unboxing them. I didn't know that I don't have battery on this like the battery is not like strong enough for me. And one thing about my camera is that the thing is that if I'm recording, I don't know what I press. When I newly got the camera, it was not like that. If I'm recording and it's mistakenly cut, maybe if I'm recording it mistakenly cut, that video mistakenly end and the camera off while it end, the video I've been recording will not save on the camera. I don't know what I press on my camera, because I remember when I got this camera it was not like that. Even that time, if the battery off, that video that I was recording, I will still meet it on the camera. But right now, if my camera off, I can't even see the video I was recording before. So that is what happened to me right now. Anyway, this is the package I got. Is clothes for the baby. This is 2 package, like this one, this is the other one. So it was in this is what was in this box. So this is baby clothes overall. They are so beautiful. Look at them guys, so beautiful. So beautiful. I like the color, I like everything about the clothes. Yeah, and this one is another set as well, because they came in 2 packages. This is another one. You see how it's looking. This one is 3 sets, while this is 4 sets. So this one came in 1 carton. So that is what I got for that. And this is the other package. This one came in sets. Yeah, 5 sets. So this is what we have in here. It's like inner wear for baby. This one is very nice for this cold, very nice for the cold weather. So that is the both package I got that I wanted to unbox with you guys, that my camera just fucked up. So guys, that is it for now. Keep watching this vlog. Yeah, so right now baby is sleepy, baby boy is sleepy, baby boy here, baby boy is sleepy. What is it? You don't know you're on international TV now. You want them to know us. You want them to know us today. Guys, I use a waist trainer. I'm not even breathing well. I use a waist trainer. I don't know who sent me, but I have to use it because I need my flat tummy back. Yeah, take. I'm not into tying of tummy. I rather waist train other than tie. That tie they suffocates me. Like, it's okay. Sorry. It's okay. It's okay. Guys, Guys, breastfeeding, giving birth is one painful thing, but breastfeeding is another painful one. Breastfeeding, you feel sore in the mouth of your nipple at first, but later I know the pain will definitely go. You feel pain at the sorry. Yeah, sorry. It's okay. You feel pain at the nipple, you feel contraction as well. I'm feeling pain at the nipple, the same time I'm feeling contraction, like so painful. I don't know if this happened to any other person, but that breastfeeding contraction, I always feel it each time the baby is breastfeeding.
Show me what it's like to be circling among the clouds. Because without you by my side, I would be stuck here on the ground. You're lighting up the way, I can see the road ahead of me. I won't be stumbling in the dark. Your eyes are shining like the stars. I was down until you saved me, until you set me free. My eyes were closed, now I see clear as day. And I just wanted to say that you can take me high. Feels like I can fly. You can take me high. I can see the sun staring at you when you make that smile. I'm moving closer to you now. I can't get close enough somehow. And I was down until you say, and I just wanted to say that you can take me high. Feels like I can fly. I don't need anybody, I don't need anybody else. No one will ever take me, no one will ever take me away from you. I promise I will hold on to you. I don't know what I'd do without you. Without you. You can take me high. Feels like I can fly.
Quick, I don't tire. Jesus, man.
You can take me high.
I'm easy.
Feels like I can fly.
You what? Now let you waka come.
You can take me high.
See, now they sweat though. I don't feel love, Jesus Christ. How this our belly want to go back? Guys, look at my tummy. Oh my goodness. How are we going to do this? How is this going to go back? This is my mark for my appendix. Anyway, we'll be working on it. My baby is awake. Baba, how are you? Oh, my baby is awake. He's looking for food. He's looking for food. He's looking for food. This say mommy good morning. This say mommy good morning. This say mommy good morning. Say good morning, auntie and uncle. Good morning.
Mama is there.
Hey, it's time for you to bathe. Time for you to bathe.
Now they finish. Now this one be now walk.
Now I work with this, so this boy is like this boy is growing so fast. Just look at 1 week. 1 week old. Like, is it 10 days now? Yeah, 10 days. 10 days old. Yeah. Say I'm 10 days. No, is it 10 days? 11 days today. Okay. 11 days today. Okay, guys, we want to go and bathe him now.
This guy, he just angry this morning. He just woke up. The next thing, just crying. Just started crying as if he's the one that owned the house.
Yes, sir.
Suck breast, we not suck breast. He just want to be drinking milk all day.
See, daddy will suck the breast.
I'll come and suck the breast, guys. To suck the breast, right? On a low key, right?
Daddy will suck the breast, so if you don't want to suck
you don't position.
he does the suck.
Like, seriously, this guy, you know what I can do. He hear that daddy's coming. He just keep quiet.
Sorry.
That guy now they let me they sleep oh.
Like, seriously, the guy is troublesome.
I don't used to sleep oh.
Yeah. A very big thanks to her. She's been so incredible. So guys, look at the young man here. Let me turn the camera.
See his mouth, oh, he's crying. Don't want to take breast.
Look at the young man here.
See, let me give him milk now. You will see the way we suck this milk. He don't want to suck breast. Yeah, take.
You see that, guys? The funny part of it is that he will not remove his mouth till this thing is down. This guy like food, just like the mom.
Like food.
Like the father.
Like the mom.
Like the father.
Bella like the mom, right?
Like your mama.
Like the father.
Thank you,
Mama
Bella.
Not the mom.
Like, seriously.
Now mama chop pass it, papa.
If your mama said,
What's it like?
My baby boy just finished bathing. He just finished bathing and then he's sleeping. Owen is back from school. Owen, say hi. Good afternoon. So, baby boy is sleeping. I'm preparing lunch for Owen. I'm preparing lunch for Guy himself. Owen, go and keep that charger. It's your dad's charger. Go and keep it, okay?
What's it like to hold his hand when he tells you that you were all he wants? And it's midnight, oh, I'm thinking about him. I have got him